Welcome to this pre-market analysis where on a chart of Nifty we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. So these are the lines that we had drawn yesterday. Let's go to a daily time frame, see how it was respected. So this candle had taken support at a support level that we had drawn, but today there has been a close below that, so the next support here is in 25,670. So let's go and delete all the lines and start from scratch. Starting with the monthly time frame, the bias is bullish. On a monthly time frame, the bias is bullish. Why is it bullish? It has made a higher low. The previous low was August and the low before that was April. So they have made a higher low. That means buyers are buying with confidence at higher level. The important levels to watch out for are previous all-time high. There has not been a daily candle close above this level, so that implies there are big sellers at this level. A support level, a good support level, the immediate one is the previous swing high. That's 25,670, the one we just mentioned. Another level is the previous swing low, 25,340 approximate. And then a hypothesis that these two candles may be an order block, and in this case the midpoint of their price action is somewhere around 25,000, 24,995, 25,000. So these are the important levels to watch out for. The greens are the buyers and the reds are the sellers. Onto the weekly time frame, this previous low had been taken and no subsequent lower highs have been, so basically there are no lower highs or higher lows. So in this case I have no idea of the bias. So I have just mentioned here on weekly time frame the bias is not sure, which means I just have no idea. So this weekly candle had been a flat top, and flat tops and flat bottoms are all where big buyers and sellers are. So I'm just marking it out. It's almost not too far from the previous ATH, but it's worth marking. So any other area worth marking? No, nothing. Going to the daily time frame, here we had an interesting level, that is this let me just mark that as it was a support yesterday. It should act as a resistance now. So that is it. And on a daily time frame, the bias is bearish because this is a high and this is the next high. So we have created lower highs. So that means the bias is bearish. And if it's bearish on a monthly time frame, this is the target. And if it decides to come down a monthly, so the thing is, if you set a monthly support, Nifty can very well go below it. There are 10 days for the monthly candle to close, and on the last day get all bought back up. So it's not a place where it's not a support or resistance with which you can trade with right now, maybe on the last day. So yeah, it's not for the short-term trades. Basically, for our time frame, on a 4-hour time frame, it is clearly bearish. So why is it bearish? Because this is a high and this is another high, so it has made lower highs. Let me just correct it here. Good. And any important levels? Nothing I want to mark up. Something I want to mark up is this level, which has been respected. Why am I marking this level? This is a major low. What is a major low? Let's discuss. A major low is a low which has a higher low on the left side and a higher low on the right side. So this is a major low. So that acted. So if you check here, yesterday and today, this particular level acted as a support and as a perfect support. So let's go to the hourly time frame. An hourly time frame. What is the bias of Nifty? Nifty has turned bearish. This is a high and this is a high. So it has started creating lower highs. So Nifty has turned bearish. So if you can see, it's bearish until the day candle, and it's now a daily time frame, and it's not shown on the weekly time frame. So it's only bullish on the monthly time frame. So Nifty does not look good to me, but there are major supports on the way down with big buyers. So it may be a short-term trend, or Nifty having tested ATH in one go. So if you consider that a cup, there's another handle to be made. So if you will go to the monthly candle, this, if you consider a cup, then Nifty could make a handle here and then take the breakout. So cup and handle is are very strong breakout patterns. That's it for today. Once again, I'm not a certified analyst. All this is only for educational purpose. Thank you.